find your passion, it ignites you as a person. You just feel awesome. Hey, what is going on? We are on our way to EFX Hair in Woburn. We're gonna go get some braids, some battle braids. We're gonna go see Shumi, and we're gonna see Ashley. We're gonna meet Ashley while we're there because I have her shirt and ticket. And yeah, I will see you again when I have my hair braided. Hey, what is up? We just got out of the EFX hair salon. Shumi did such a great job. I love it. Let's go. Ready to fight. Hi Maggie, thank you for the scarf and all of the gifts that you sent me. This is amazing. All right, we're gonna go leave to get to our hotel room for the weigh-in. Feels like my good luck charm. We just got to the hotel, weight cut. It's gonna be, I mean, it's been all week, but we're gonna be sweating tomorrow. And let me see how much I weigh. All right. Let's go get showered and go to bed. Hey, what's going on? We are on our way to weigh-ins. Today was interesting. I woke up, the goal weight was 130, and we woke up and I was like 130. The morning of, they're at, oh, it changes by lean, but it's 129.8. So I'm like, let's go to a cafe. We're sitting there, we're having a, you know, like taking a sip of like a small shot of caffeine so I could have the smallest amount of liquid to caffeine ratio. And I look over at Gary, I'm like, Gary, you want to go to Six Flags? He's like, yeah. So we spent the day at Six Flags. So we're at Six Flags, about ready to go on the Superman ride. Super excited. How was it?
Amazing.
Oh my god, I was laughing and crying. That was such an insane drop. Oh, that was fun. That was fun. So of course, like I didn't drink anything, eat anything, just like walk around. It was pretty hot, so I actually like lost another like pound just from walking around throughout the day. So I'm probably like at like 129 right now. So we're gonna go to Hooters because that's where the weigh-in is. Weigh-in, and then we are gonna hydrate like a mofo. Like I am gonna drink the shit out of some water. It is, oh. So it'll be interesting to see what the weigh-in is versus what it is after I drink a ton versus what it's gonna be like tomorrow after I eat so much carbs. There's so much carbs in my future. Oh, all right, so we'll see you at the weigh-in.
I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight.
Finished exchanging my tickets, getting a little commission, and now, yeah, we wait for the commission to weigh in.
Please turn it on, please.
That was a good question. It's 128.
Nice job. Tastes good?
Yeah. Great, so now we just wait for the, pregnancy test. Let's fight. Weigh-ins are over. We had a weigh-in of 128.0, so I was under. This is dehydrated. Is it going? We live? All right, so this is post weigh-in. This is like go time. So we're drinking at least 1.5 liters, 1.5 liters like per hour, because that's all I can absorb. And another like really good trick that I found too is eating foods right after with a high glycemic index. So you can't get more high glycemic than like dates and honey. So now it's like a game of carving back up. So we are eating oh my I am happy.